Hi, this is Attorney Feng, immigration lawyer from New York City. Today we're going to talk about your Plan B for H-1B. The fiscal year 2023 H-1B lottery was just finished, and the first round of H-1B lottery result is coming up. Considering last year, less than 28% of the people could get a quota, H-1B participants are not very sure this year. What if you are not selected? You have to plan your Plan B. In our previous videos, we talk about the Plan B should not be wait until you get the result. You should plan your Plan B even before the H-1B lottery, but it is not too late to think about it now. H-1B is not the only working visa in the United States. We have a few alternative working visa. For example, O1 visa. O1A is for alien with extraordinary ability in business, science, athletics, and O1B is for alien with extraordinary ability in art and motion pictures. So O visa compared to H1B has three major advantages. First of all, there is no O lottery because the quota are sufficient for O. You can do it anytime. Second, there is no working limited period under O. O can be extended forever, not like H-1B. It has maximum 6-year working period on the H-1B. Third, there is no prevailing wage requirement for O. However, there is pretty high prevailing wage for H-1B. So considering there are a lot of advantages under O, why not? Everybody knows O. Probably you will be scared by the name of O visa. It is offered to aliens with extraordinary ability. A lot of people don't think they have such ability. However, in practice, O may be much easier than you thought. I encourage everybody, if you think you probably will meet some of the O requirements, you can send your resume to experienced lawyer for evaluation. Maybe you have a good chance for O visa. The next would be TN visa. So TN visa is a special working visa offered to people who hold citizenship of Canada and Mexico. It's part of the deal of NAFTA agreement. So for TN, you don't need to participate in any lottery. You can extend forever, but TN requires you to maintain a foreign residency. And TN has very limited occupation list. Only if you offered one of the occupation in the list, you will be able to get TN visa. But it worth a try and evaluation. And if you have stamped OPT, you could extend your stamped OPT as well. So OPT can be extended for maximum 36 months, which will offer you a couple of years of chance to participate in H-1B lottery. J visa is another option. J is a working visa offered to exchanging scholars. And there is one note I would like to share with every possible J holder. You have to check the policy offered from your home country, whether you are subject to 2-year resident requirement. So what does that mean? If your J is subjected to 2-year resident rule, which means you have to go back to your home country to serve for 2 years to fulfill that requirement for your J, or you can request a J waiver to waive that requirement. So if you have a waiver or you fulfill that 2-year requirement, your J visa would not be a problem if you want to transfer to other working visa or apply for green card in the US. And a lot of people ask day one CPT. I personally don't like a day one CPT because there are a lot of phishing program around. And if you are not careful enough, probably the day one CPT, if the program, if the school violate a certain rule, your day one CPT could be a bomb down the road, because if you have not legit day one CPT, and if you use that as your working permission, you will have a huge problem to transfer to other working visa, or if you travel, you will have a problem to get a visa come back. So I would suggest if day one CPT is your only option, be very careful. Make sure that program is legit. Finally, I would suggest you start your green card application before you even consider H-1B. So if you were born in China, EB2 category only takes 3 years for you to get a green card. I see a lot of people, they have participated in H-1B for 4 or 5 years and then could not even get a quota. If they could start their green card before the H-1B, they could already got a green card. And if you were born from the country other than India or China, green card takes even shorter, probably just 1 year and 1.5 years. You could get a green card and you have the working permission to work for any employer. So I would suggest you consider start your green card application as soon as you have a sponsor or as soon as you are eligible for the self green card petition. Send your resume to attorney for O1, TN, and green card evaluation, so you will know what's down the road and you will have your plan B if your age is not selected. Good luck to everybody who participated in H lottery. If you think our clip is helpful, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you.